Guys, in this video I'm just going to be giving you a little maintenance tip here underneath your pop-up. So here we have the wiffle tree. This is what brings your pop-up camper up and down. You can see I have the plate that covers it and protect it while you're driving. That's very important to keep this nice and lubricated. You can see all the grease that I have on it that's coming off. This part too, all your wheels here underneath. You want to keep that all really nice and lubricated. And then you also have your wheels here on each corner. There's 4 of these. Also very important to keep them lubricated. And then you also have your jack stands here. As you can see, mine are very lubricated. I do it in the fall and in the spring. Twice a year is good enough. Some WD-40 or some spray on white lithium grease or something like that. But I always do the WD-40 first, and then I put a little bit of grease on. So there's also 4 of these on each corner, right? And then you want to do anything that's that has a metal connection. So that thing right there, that's a drain. And then you also have your propane connections like that going back to your heater. You want to lubricate those. And then you also have one back there. All right. And then you can see here, this is another metal connection going to your stove outside. And then you have another one here. You see, have those nice and lubricated. That way they're going to last a long time. So very important to keep all of your underneath your camper very lubricated. Especially the wiffle tree here, this system here. This is the gutsier system. Then over there, you also have some, your wiring for your braking system and all that while you're driving. You just want to do a good inspection every spring and every fall of all your underneath components. Back there, that's your propane connection for your heater, I'm assuming. Anyway, get under it, check it all out, and make sure everything's nice and lubricated. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you're new, subscribe. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you want, leave questions and comments. Until next time.